In this Bluehost WordPress tutorial, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to build a professional WordPress website using Bluehost, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll be using Elementor, one of the most popular drag-and-drop page builders, so you don't need any coding or design experience. I'll also show you how to use pre-made website templates to get your site up and running fast, then customize everything to match your brand. To get started, click the link in the description below. That'll take you directly to Bluehost, where you'll get an exclusive discount of up to 70% off plus a free domain name. This is the lowest pricing available, and I'll walk you through everything step by step once you're on the page. Quick disclosure, the link in the description is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you, and you'll still get the best Bluehost deal available. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be taken directly to Bluehost. Click Get Started now. You'll see several hosting plans you can choose from. Let me quickly explain the differences so you can pick the right one. The personal plan is perfect for beginners. It supports one website, includes 1 GB NVMe storage, and is designed for 10,000 monthly visits. The starter plan is perfect for getting started online with room to grow. It supports up to 10 websites, includes 10 GB of NVMe storage, and is designed for around 40,000 monthly visits. The business plan is better for growing websites. It includes 50 websites, 50 GB NVMe storage, support for up to 200,000 monthly visits, plus phone support, malware detection and removal, free domain privacy for the first year, and daily backups free for the first year. Choose the plan that works best for your needs. For this tutorial, I'll be using the personal plan since it's perfect for most beginners. Next, you'll choose your domain name. This is your website's address, like yourname.com. Bluehost includes a free domain name for the first year, so type in your desired name, choose a domain extension, and click search to check availability. If you already own a domain, select I want to use a domain I already own. And if you're not ready to choose one yet, just click choose domain later. You'll still get your free domain, and you can select it later from your Bluehost dashboard. You'll also see an option for domain privacy plus protection, and I highly recommend keeping this selected. Without it, your personal information, like your email address and phone number, is added to the public whois database, which can lead to spam and unwanted calls. With domain privacy enabled, Bluehost contact information is shown instead of yours, keeping your personal details private and protected. On the cart page, you'll see your hosting plan and a drop-down to select your billing term. Choosing the 3-year term or 4-year term gives you the lowest monthly pricing, which is what most people go with. I'll choose the 12-month term for this tutorial. You'll also see a data center option. You can choose the data center closest to your audience for better performance. On the left side, in your account information, things like your email and password. Below that, you'll find recommended add-ons. These are totally optional, and you can select or deselect any of them based on what you need. Once that's done, scroll down to the billing information section and enter your payment details. You'll also notice a small box that says I want special offers from Bluehost. You can keep it checked or uncheck it if you prefer. Finally, click the submit payment button to complete your purchase and activate your Bluehost hosting. Bluehost will email you a receipt, and you'll be taken to a confirmations page while your hosting account finishes setting up. Once your account is set up, Bluehost makes things super easy. WordPress is installed automatically for you. That means you can start customizing your website right away. You'll see a Login to WordPress button. Click that to go straight into WordPress, where you'll land on the Welcome to WordPress screen. On this page, Bluehost gives you a few options like using the AI site creator or importing an existing WordPress site. For this tutorial, we're going to build our website manually using WordPress, without using those options, so you can see exactly how everything works. To access WordPress at any time, start in your Bluehost dashboard. From the Home section, click Websites in the left-hand menu. You'll see your site listed. Click WordPress Admin to open the WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll create pages, install plugins, customize your design, and manage your entire website. Before we start choosing a theme, let's quickly go over the Bluehost control panel options for your site. From the Websites section, WordPress Admin opens the WordPress dashboard. Manage takes you to your Bluehost site overview. Advanced shows you things like your named servers. Performance lets you manage caching. You can change the cache level, clear all cache, or clear cache for a specific page. Overview includes the staging option, which allows you to create a staging site to test changes before pushing them live. Don't worry if this feels like a lot right now. You won't need most of this immediately, but it's good to know where everything is. Before choosing a theme, it's important to secure your website with HTTPS using a free SSL certificate. To do this, click WordPress Admin to enter WordPress, hover over Settings, then click General. Here, update both the WordPress address URL and site address URL to use HTTPS instead of HTTP. Scroll down and click Save Changes. WordPress will automatically log you out. That's normal. Just log back in and your site will now be secure. Now we're ready to choose a theme and start designing the website. On the left-hand menu, hover over Appearance and click Themes. Then click Add New Theme. You'll now see thousands of free WordPress themes you can choose from. In the next step, I'll show you how to pick a theme that works perfectly with Elementor and how to customizing it using pre-made templates. In the search bar, type Astra. Click Install. And once it's finished installing, click Activate. Next, we'll install the Starter Templates plugin. On the left-hand menu, hover over Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type Starter Templates. Click Install, and then click Activate. Once the plugin is activated, you'll be on the Welcome to Astra page. Click the Let's Get Started button. You'll now be on the Get the Best Start with Astra page. You can just skip this step if you'd like. Next, you'll be on the Select Your Features page. I'll click Skip on this page. Next, you'll be on the Build Your Site in Minutes using pre-built templates. I'll select the Classic Starter Templates option and click Build with Templates button. Next, choose Elementor as your page builder. If you ever see a different page builder selected at the top, just click the drop down and choose Elementor. You'll now see a large library of website templates that you can build using drag and drop. You can search by website type or browse through different categories to find a design you like. When you click on a template, you'll be able to preview what the site looks like before importing it. To go back to the templates list, just click the X in the corner. One important thing to know is that any template can be used for any type of website, no matter what category it's listed under. You can easily change text, images, colors, layouts, and pages using Elementor. So the goal here is simply to find a template you like. Once it's imported, you can customize it however you want and make it your own. Go ahead and select the template you want to use. For this tutorial, I'll choose one called Love Nature. You'll have the option to upload a logo, choose fonts, and set colors for your site. If you don't have these ready yet, no worries. You can skip this for now and update everything later. I'll cover that later in the video. Click Continue. On the Select Features page, you can choose any features you want. I'll click Skip this step. Next is the Tell Us a Little About Yourself page. You don't need to fill this out if you don't want to. Click Submit and Build My Website. Bluehost will now begin building your website. Once it's finished, you'll see a Congratulations page. Click View Your Website to see what your site looks like. To start editing your website, click Edit with Elementor at the top of the page. This opens Elementor's drag and drop editor where you can visually customize everything on your site. To edit text, simply click on it and type what you want. Under the Style tab, you can change things like color, spacing, and alignment. If you click the pencil icon next to Typography, you can change the font size, weight, and more. To change the background image, right-click inside a section and click Edit Container. Go to the Style tab and you'll see the background image option. You can remove the image using the trash icon, upload a new image, or select one from the media library. If you want to add a color overlay or adjust transparency, open Background Overlay, choose a color, and adjust the opacity slider. To edit a button, click on it. You can change the text, add a link, and control whether it opens in a new tab or is set as no follow. You can also add or remove icons. Click Icon Library to browse icons or upload your own SVG. Under the Style and Hover tabs, you can fully customize how the button looks and behaves. You can move elements by clicking and dragging them into place. Right-click an element to duplicate or delete it. To add new elements, click the plus icon in the top left corner and drag widgets onto the page. Scroll down to the Drag Widgets Here section, click the Starter Templates icon, then click Blocks. You can browse block templates by category, select one you like, and click Import Block. It'll be added instantly to your page. To add a new section, hover where you want it, click the plus icon, choose Flexbox, and select a layout. To move a section, grab the 6-dot icon and drag it up or down. To remove a section, click the X. Click Publish to make your changes live. Click the arrow next to Publish to save as a draft. Save the page as a reusable template. Use the Preview button to see your page before publishing. You can also switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views to make sure everything looks great on all devices. Click the Elementor icon. Click Site Settings to control global fonts, colors, and button styles across your entire website. If you ever need to undo changes, go to History, Revisions, and restore a previous version. Exit Elementor to return to WordPress. From Pages, you can add or edit site pages. From Media, you can manage uploaded images. From Post, you can create and manage blog posts. Under Plugins, you can add new features to your site. Almost anything you want to do with WordPress can be done using a plugin. Go to Appearance, Menus to edit your site navigation. You can reorder menu items, rename them, delete them, or create drop-down submenus by dragging items slightly to the right. Click Save Menu when finished. To edit the contact form, go to WPForms in the dashboard and click Edit. You can drag fields to rearrange them, mark fields as required, enable spam protection, edit notifications, and customize confirmation messages. Click Save when finished. Now I want to go over maps for your site in case you want to display your business location. From the contact page, click Edit with Elementor. To add a map, drag the Google Maps widget into the page. Once the map is selected, you can enter your business address in the location field, adjust the zoom, and change the height to get it looking how you want. After making your changes, click the arrow next to Publish and choose Save Draft, then refresh the page. When you click the pencil icon on the map again, you'll see a notification at the top asking for a Google Maps API key. Click Create your API key, follow the steps to generate one. Then paste it into the integration settings and click Save Changes. Your map will now display correctly for your site visitors. Go to Customize to edit your header and footer. You can change footer columns and content, edit or remove header items, upload your logo, set a favicon, edit site title and tagline. Under global, you can update typography, colors, and button styles site-wide. And that's how you build a WordPress website using Bluehost and Elementor. At this point, your site is fully set up and you can continue customizing it by adding pages, updating content, and fine-tuning the design to fit your needs. If you followed along and used the Bluehost link in the description, you already have everything you need to keep building your site. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step WordPress and web hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.